Dear doctors, welcome to Dr. Prax app. If you want to add your consultation schedule, click on the schedule icon at the bottom right corner. Click on add schedule. Select the type of consultation. If you want to add OPD or clinic timing schedule, click on the OPD option. And if you want to add your schedule for phone calls, you can click on phone call. If you want to add both schedule, then click on all option. Now select phone option. Select the days you will be available. Select the timing 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Time interval for each slot, patients per slot, and now click on the done option at the top right corner. Your schedule will get created for this particular time. Your patients will be able to book your appointment for that available timing. Click on the manage schedule to manage your schedule. Here you will be able to see all your created schedules at the bottom side. For some day, if you are busy and you won't be available, select the busy option, enter the date which you won't be available for, and block that day so that patient will not be able to book your appointment for that particular dates. And you can click on done. If some appointments are already booked for that particular day, those appointments will get cancelled and patient will receive the cancellation message. If you want to see your appointment list, click on the my appointment. Here you will be able to see the list of appointment. Now phone consultation appointment. Before that time, you will get a reminder to call that particular patient. You can click on the phone call option. Then you will receive an incoming call from Dr. Prax support. This way, your personal number will not be shared with the patients and you can see all the details in call log. Thank you.